Good morning, dear students. Today topic is kinetic interpretation of temperature. We know pressure exerted by an ideal gas is P is equal 1 by 3 mn V square bar. Let us take this is first equation. Here m is mass of the molecules and n is, here small n is equal capital N by capital V, that is number of molecules per unit volume. Here V square bar is equal, here bar is means what? Average of squared speeds. Here V is volume of container and N is number of molecules in a container. Here I am multiplying on both sides of equation 1 by volume V. Multiplying on both sides of equation 1 by volume V. So we can get PV is equal 1 by 3 mn V square bar into V. So we know here N is number density, that is number of molecule for unit value. So here N is equal, we can write capital N by capital V. That is PV is equal 1 by 3 m, here small n is equal to capital N by V, V square bar into V. Here volume cancel. So remaining terms is PV is equal 1 by 3 mn V square bar. Here I am multiplying and dividing by 2. So it can be written as PV is equal, here I am writing 2 by 3 into n into, so here it is 1 by 2 mv square bar. So here internal energy of an ideal gas is purely kinetic energy. We know internal energy of an ideal gas is purely kinetic energy. So that is, here we can write E is equal N into 1 by 2 mv square bar. Substitute this value in this equation. Let us take this is second equation. Substitute this value in equation 2, we can get. So substitute this value in equation 2. So we can get PV is equal, here it is 2 by 3, here N into 1 by 2 mv square bar is equal to E. So that is 2 by 3 into E. Let us take this is third equation. Therefore this is the expression between pressure and kinetic energy of an ideal gas. Kinetic energy of an ideal gas. But we know ideal gas equation is, we know PV is equal mu RT. So let us take this is fourth equation. So from equation third and fourth we can write so here it is PV is equal to 2 by 3E. Here PV is equal to mu RT. From equation 3 and 4 we can write 2 by 3 is equal to mu RT. So from this E is equal we can write 3 by 2 mu RT. So but we know capital R is equal to NA into KB. So substitute this value in this equation. Let us take this is fifth equation. Substitute this value in equation 5. So we can get E is equal 3 by 2. So here mu. So R is equal to NA KB. So here NA KB into T. But we know mu is equal N by NA. E is equal 3 by 2. Here mu is equal N by NA into NA KBT. So here NA cancel. So here E is equal 3 by 2 N KBT. Here take N left side. So that is E by N is equal, we can write 3 by 2 KBT. So here E by N is nothing but average kinetic energy, that is E bar is equal 3 by 2 KBT. So from this we can write average kinetic energy E bar is directly proportional to temperature. That is, the average kinetic energy of a molecule is proportional to the absolute temperature of the gas. It is independent of pressure P and volume and nature of the ideal gas. Next one is Dalton's law of partial pressure. Here we prove Dalton's law of partial pressure by using kinetic theory. For one type of gas, we know pressure P1 is equal 1 by 3 M1 N1 V1 square bar. Let us take this is first equation. For a mixture of non-reactive gases, so we can write pressure P is equal P1 plus P2 plus P3 plus dash 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 dash. So from equation 1, so here we can write pressure P is equal, here P1 is equal 1 by 3 m1 n1 v1 square bar plus here p2 is equal 1 by 3 m2 n2 v2 square bar plus dash dash dash. Let us take this is second equation. Here at RHS side I am multiplying and dividing by 2. So we can get p is equal, so here 2 by 3 I am taking common, so remaining terms is, so that is here I am writing 1 by 2 m1 v1 square bar into n1 plus 1 by 2 m2, so here 1 by 3 take common, 2 is numerator take common, so remaining terms is 1 by 2 m2 v2 square bar into n2 plus dash dash dash. Let us take this is third equation. In equilibrium the average kinetic energy of molecule of different gases will be equal. That is 1 by 2 m1 v1 square bar is equal 1 by 2 m2 v2 square bar is equal, that is equal average kinetic energy E bar, that is equal, from kinetic interpretation we know E bar is equal 3 by 2 kBT. So substitute these values in this equation, we can get P is equal 2 by 3, so here 1 by 2 m1 v1 square bar is equal, we can write 3 by 2 kBT, so here 3 by 2 kBT into n1 plus here 1 by 2 m2 v2 square bar is equal, we can write 3 by 2 kBT into n2 plus dash dash dash. So here I am taking 3 by 2 kBT common, so that is 2 by 3 into 3 by 2 kBT, so here it is n1 plus n2 plus dash dash dash. Here 2 2 cancel, 3 3 cancel, so here we can write P is equal n1 kBT plus n2 kBT plus dash dash dash. So we know second form of ideal gas equation. So that is P is equal kBNT. We know first form of ideal gas equation is PV is equal mu RT. Second form of ideal gas equation is P is equal kBNT. So here P is equal kBNT. So from this we can write P1 is equal, how we can write kBN1T, and P2 is equal kBN2T dash dash dash. So substitute these values in this equation, we can get, therefore P is equal here kBN1T, kBN1T is equal P1, kBN2T is equal P2 plus dash dash dash. So this is known as Dalton's law of partial pressure. This is Dalton's law of partial pressure. Next one is to prove Avogadro hypothesis using kinetic theory. Here Avogadro hypothesis is equal volume of all gases under similar condition of temperature and pressure contain equal number of molecules. Proof. According to kinetic theory, we know pressure exerted by an ideal gas is that is P is equal 1 by 3 mn V square bar. Here n is number density, that is number of molecule for unit volume. So from this we can write P is equal 1 by 3 m n by V into V square bar. So from this we can write PV is equal 1 by 3 mn V square bar. So let us take this is first equation. For gas 1, so this equation can be written as P1 V1 is equal 1 by 3 m1 n1 V1 square bar. For gas 2, so this equation can be written as P2 V2, that is called 1 by 3 m2 n2 V2 square bar. So let us take this is second equation, this is third equation. If both gases have equal volume, that is V1 is equal V2 is equal V. If both gases are under similar conditions of temperature and pressure, that is pressure P1 is equal P2 is equal P and temperature T1 is equal T2 is equal T. Here equation 2 can be written as, that is equal, here P1 is equal P2 is equal P. P, here V1 is equal V2 is equal V. PV is equal 1 by 3 m1 n1 V1 square bar. So let us take this is fourth equation. Equation 3 can be written as, here P2 is equal P1 is equal P. P. Here V2 is equal V1 is equal V. So that is PV is equal 1 by 3 m2 n2 V2 square bar. Let us take this is fifth equation. From equation 4 and 5, so we can write 1 by 3 m1 n1 V1 square bar is equal 1 by 3 m2 n2 V2 square bar. Here 1 by 3 cancel. So we can get m1 n1 v1 square bar is equal m2 n2 v2 square bar. Here I am multiplying on both sides by 1 by 2. Multiplying on both sides by 1 by 2. So we can get 1 by 2 m1 here v1 square bar into n1 is equal 1 by 2 m2 v2 square bar into n2. Here 1 by 2 m1 v1 square bar is e1 bar into n1. 1 by 2 m2 v2 square bar is e2 bar into n2. Let us take this is fourth equation. From kinetic interpretation of temperature, we know E bar is equal 3 by 2 kBT. So from this we can write E1 bar is equal 3 by 2 kBT1 and E2 bar is equal 3 by 2 kBT2. Substitute these values in this equation. We can get 3 by 2 kb T1 into N1 is equal 3 by 2 kb T2 N2. Here 3 by 2 kb, 3 by 2 kb cancel. That is T1 N1 is equal T2 N2. Under similar condition of temperature, so we know temperature T1 is equal T2 is equal T. So here T1 T2 is cancelled. So we can get N1 is equal N2. So this is known as Avogadro hypothesis. This is known as Avogadro hypothesis. Next one is concept of absolute zero of temperature on the basis of kinetic theory. According to kinetic theory, we know pressure exerted by an ideal gas is P is equal 1 by 3 mn c square. Let us take this is first equation. We know here C is root mean square speed, RMS speed of a molecule, where C is RMS speed of molecule. We know ideal gas equation. So that is PV is equal mu RT. So from this we can write P is equal mu RT by V. So let us take this is second equation. From equation 1 and 2, so here we can equating this two equation. So that is, here it is P, here also it is P. So we can write 1 by 3 Mn C square is equal mu RT by V. So from this C square is equal, we can write 3 mu RT by Mn into V. If T is equal 0, so here T is equal 0, what happened? C square becomes 0, or C is equal 0, or VRMS is equal 0. That is, root mean square value is 0. Hence, absolute zero of temperature may be defined as that temperature at which the RMS velocity of the gas molecules reduced to 0